34-car grid, and you want to see 34 cars, and obviously 44 cars, obviously 54 cars, and trying to make sure that everybody who has the opportunity to race does is really one of the fundamental, essential rights here. You get put, you just saw there in that massive power at Lola, and then being pushed along right behind the KCMG Lola. So those different Lola chassis that racing in the Australian Tech Series. As I said, most of these cars will be raced in the European Road Series, in the Michelin Cup for the MP3 cars, and the European Championship. But cars like Corys and Sparkles racing the FIA GT Championship. Close.
Right, so that we can try to bring that down. Endurance legends.